Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to plastic weld. You need to make sure that our flange is flat as possible on whatever we're doing. Ideally, we would be able to clamp it down, but this is an apartment, so doesn't really release that much toxic. These are standard welding rods from Harbor Freight, and standard blowtorch with the ceramic heating element on the inside, so there's no open flame or anything. Watched a couple tutorials on YouTube and made my own flange already, so it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First things first, you want to take this and heat up the rod a little bit, like so. It'll start to get a little bit soft. Get it nice and hot. There you go. Alright, you see it starting to bend a little bit. Now we're going to take it, start it, left hand flame. You'll notice starts setting itself in. Try and see if I can get it closer to you. Just like that. Fucking thing stop moving. Jesus Christ. Alright, there we go. Should get something. So basically all we're doing is just heating the area before and melting it at the same time. almost done with the seam. What it does is the plastic rod is just slightly softer than what we're whatever materials that we're heating up. So it's kind of like a damn near like a hot glue, but not. As you see, got our flange all the way around. What I do is twist that off. And here we have it. Do my drop test. Like to give it a couple drops, make sure. As you can see, it's solid. It ain't going nowhere. You should get a nice kind of flowing bead over it as you're going along. Real easy to do. Total cost, the welding rods from plastic welding rods from Harbor Freight. I don't know, really cheap, like $5-10 if that. They're different ones. They come with ABS plastic, or excuse me, ABS PVC, polypropylene. So you need to know what you're welding first, because there's different type of agents involved. But otherwise than that, it's relatively simple. And there we have our flange that you can mate your throttle body up to. It'll look real clean. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you make comments. Thanks a lot.